Welcome back to Tom Bradley International Terminal. Pedestrian walkway. Looked like there was somebody on it earlier, but now I'm not seeing any construction.
Okay.
Got all that traffic, all for the international side here for Tom Bradley. Yikes. It's good to see Tom Bradley ramping up. Seeing a lot of lifts out here. There's about 3 lifts. Lots of workers. Sporadic workers sprinkled around. That's quite a honk. All right. Up here from parking lot 4, looking at Tom Bradley. Remember the last time I was here, there was nobody really working on it. Today looks like there's some surveying going on as well as a little bit of construction here and there. Up here on the upper part of the exterior, we've got a couple guys here on a lift. So I know there is some evidence of work being done, even though it still kind of looks similar as last time, but like some of these beams here are new. I know that because there was a iron workers, the local iron workers wrote their name on the face, and then also there was another beam for the top out ceremony, which is no longer exposed, so both of those are covered up. But it does look like there is some framework here. You see these white beams, and eventually that'll be filled with windows like you see adjacent to it. See all these other smaller rectangle windows. So that'll be in the works here, coming along here this summer probably, hopefully.